Good morning.
Bro, time to get up.
Man. Whoa, why is there a camera on us right now, dude?
The fuck?
There's literally a camera on us right now.
What?
You know what? I was having a dream. This is going to sound weird that the camera's on for this, but I had a dream about a time, and this was probably about 3 or 4 years ago, and I was a new eBay seller. And I used to get so stressed out about little tiny things.
Oh my God.
Like a little return. Like a guy would want, like maybe they're, I don't know. Like for example, I would leave measurements for my clothing and I would say no returns. Just because I was new, you know, obviously I offer returns now. And the guy would want a return or he'd want like a partial refund for $3. And I would fight him to the death.
To the death.
And it messed me up. And I want to talk about that. What are your thoughts on that?
Oh my gosh, man. I don't even know where to begin. I was talking to Steve about the mindset, and it's like, don't sweat the little things. Like, it's not worth the hassle.
Why, though? Because there's probably people watching right now, and they're selling on eBay, and, you know, you're going to get a million little issues that pop up from
always
returns or partial refunds, or they're not happy with whatever. The color might have been off.
Yeah, the mailman left the frickin' box on the wrong stair. Who knows?
So that's part of business when you're selling on eBay, you're selling on Amazon, is dealing with the little things. So
little things.
When do you draw the line in the sand and actually fight for something versus just saying, you know what, I'm going to let it go? Let's use an example. Let's say you sold a piece of clothing on eBay and they want a partial refund for $3. $3. Maybe you sold a $12 route for it. And this has happened. People might be thinking, you might be watching this like,
very common.
Steve, Jamison, like people don't ask for that. Yes, they do. They ask for $3 return.
Yeah.
So I've had a $1 return or a partial refund before. Where do you draw the line in the sand in terms of whether you should give the refund, fight it, or not? Like, what is your thoughts on that?
Like, obviously, if I made the mistake or I wasn't sure if I made the mistake, no problem. No questions asked. I'm not going to go, generally, I'm not going through the hassle of them shipping it back. I mean, obviously, every single sale is situational. So this doesn't go to everything. This is just going to a generalization that if, you know, they got a shirt and they claimed it was wrinkled, whether I ironed it or not, and I know it's wrinkled or not, like, I'm probably just going to give them the $3. It's not worth my headache. It's not worth the negative. It's not worth the stress. Like, the amount of stress it causes, is that really worth $3? No. Like, that stress could build up into your own personal life. You could take it on your kids, your wife, your husband, your dog.
Oh, yeah.
Your cricket, whatever.
Yeah.
Like, it's like, just don't sweat the little things. Like, whether it's an honest, the buyer is honestly having that issue, or if they're literally just trying to get $3. Like, because it makes them feel good that they hustled you, or whatever you want to call it. Like,
I think a lot of times it's just our ego, and, you know, you see it happening in different, you know, I've had it in my YouTube comments, Facebook groups, and I've been there before. Like, I've fought for it, and I argued it, and a lot of times if you're brand new, you want to fight for it because you think that's the best thing to do. You might only be selling a couple $100s a month, and I've done this before.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah, I was the biggest like jerk when I first started, like being to customers, and fighting and arguing. But like you said, it stresses you out. It can take money out of your pocket. You get a negative feedback, which then can turn into customers not trusting you.
Yeah.
Or issues with you know, the
like top-rated seller or whatever other thing going on.
So, I mean, if you're brand new, just keep in mind the stress and the money, it just isn't worth it in the long run. You might fight for it at the beginning, but once you start to build, like especially if you talk to any bigger sellers who are doing like over a couple thousand a month, if it's usually under $5 or $10, or even like $20 sometimes, like you can even in eBay, I know you're not a big eBay seller, Amazon's a big Amazon seller if you guys don't know. We have like,
and I used to do eBay full time, so I'm not like just speaking on something I have no clue about. I used to do eBay full time, and I've dealt with everything.
One thing I want to mention is I've noticed that bigger sellers doing a couple thousand, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, they don't mess with these. And sometimes you could even, I see a lot of them, they go into the back end of eBay and you can set it so it automatically gives a refund based on like a certain price or criteria. Really the point we're trying to drill home is, You know, and I made this mistake when I was new with eBay. Like, I would buy anything that made like a $2 profit, and then you learn, like, like you have a huge like death pile.
Yeah,
and
there's a reason why we have death piles.
But the same thing happens with, you know, customer service issues and returns and refunds and partial refunds and all that nonsense that nobody wants to talk about. You learn that it's not worth the time and stress. And I have a tendency to get worked up when people say really stupid things or like arguing. Like, I don't like. If you guys have been following my YouTube channel, like, I don't like fighting and arguing very much. Like, people will come at me and I'll just delete the comment because I just don't like, I don't like the confrontation.
Yeah.
So, like, if someone's arguing with me on freaking eBay, dude, it comes home with me.
Yeah,
like,
exactly.
I will, like, you know how many crickets I've killed because...
What?
I said, do you know how many crickets I've...
Yeah, why'd you even say that?
Because you said something about a pet cricket
Oh,
before.
yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Anyways, jeez, Jamison, you gotta remember your jokes. But yeah, at the end of the day, guys, it's your. At the end of the day, guys, it's your business. It's your stress levels. It's your money. It's your feedback. You gotta do what you feel's best. But we found that it's worked out best for us to not sweat the little things and use our mental energy to work on higher level things. So anyways, guys, we appreciate you watching this video. Let us know in the comments down below what you guys thought about this video. How do you approach your business? Anything you guys agree with or disagree? This is an open forum. This isn't a, you know, we're not trying to like tell you exactly how to run your business, but this is just some of our thoughts. So leave some comments down below, pros and cons to our theories, and like, comment, subscribe. Check out this guy's YouTube channel as well.
I will link it up.
I'm gonna link it up down below in the description. And he's got a lot of awesome videos showcasing his pet cricket.
Yeah, we do stunts.
Yeah,
I'm gonna start a cricket circus.
Oh my gosh! Wow.
And I also will teach you how to be an expert cricket handler.
Like, comment, subscribe. Check out his YouTube channel. First link down below, and let us know what you guys think about this video. All right, peace.
And I'll wake you up when the alarm goes off. I'll look at your phone and I'll hit it, and I'll wake you up.
Sit up a little bit. The heck do I zoom in?
Alright, it should be going off in 20. Goes off at 7:25. So. Alright. Alright.
Good morning.